Hey folks, Steve Sheets here with Ghost Ranch Communications doing a quick tutorial on fixing layouts. Specifically what I mean is when you open up a deck and maybe a title or some of your body content has been moved in certain slides. As people go through slides, it'll be really noticeable that something is out of place. So we're going to talk about how we can fix those without having to completely reset the slide and break things. So exactly what I'm talking about. You can see here that I've got a slide here and here's my title. I've got some body copy formatted over here and a picture. Everything looks fine. Then when I go to the next slide, my title's been moved out of place. Somebody borrowed my deck or I'm getting it from somebody else. I can't hit undo to get it back where it's supposed to be. And if I hit this reset layout button, it's a little heavy-handed. All the formatting that I had carried over from the previous slide on the left-hand side is completely gone. This was supposed to be a really big statement on the right-hand slide without a bullet. Now the bullet's back. All the text sizes have changed. It was just really heavy-handed, not what I wanted. So I'm going to hit undo, and instead of resetting the slide, I'm simply going to reapply the layout. Now I can see here that this to content layout is highlighted in gray, so I know that's the one that's currently being used. I'm just going to hit to content again, and you can see my title is back where it belongs, and it did reset the width of this text box as well and make that word at the end of that paragraph jump. So I'm just going to tuck that back in a little bit, and now everything's exactly where it's supposed to be, and I didn't lose any of my text formatting. I will admit one negative thing. This picture is in a content placeholder. You can see if I delete the picture, the content placeholder appears. I'll undo that. If I were to reset this one, or not reset, I'm sorry, if I were to reapply the layout on this one, it would unfortunately move that picture. One thing I'm going to try real quick, we'll see if it works. I'll undo that. I'm going to press Control X to cut the picture. I'm going to reapply the layout without the picture on there. Delete this placeholder, and then paste the picture, and you can see it went right back into place. Only thing left for me to do is tuck that back in, and there you go. Now you can see how to work with certain things that you might not want to move. Just cut those off the slide, reapply the layout, and then paste them back on. Everything that you are okay with resetting, just leave it on there. I'm sorry, reapplying the layout to. See? It's a narrow difference between the two, but reset, very heavy-handed. Reapply the layout, whole lot less to fix. I hope this was helpful for everyone, and if it was, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel here for Ghost Ranch. Also, if you need professional help with the slides, we'd be more than happy to talk to you. Feel free to reach out, and I hope we hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a great day.